Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to install Python and VS Code ID. First, we'll see how to install Python. For installation of Pythons, we will follow the steps. First, we have to visit to the official website python.org downloads. Second step is we have to download latest version of Python from website, and we have to open the executable and follow the instructions as shown. First step, open Google Chrome browser. In that type Python, download. You will get official website here, python.org. Click on this. My operating system is Windows, so it is showing automatically here download Python 3.12.3 for Windows. If your operating system is Linux, Mac OS, by default it will show here Linux, Mac OS as per your operating system. My operating system is Windows, so it is automatically showing the download Python for Windows. See here it is showing options Windows, Linux, Mac OS. As per your operating system, you can select which version to download. So for operating system Windows, download Python. Click here, download Python 3.12.3. You see download is completed here. Open this folder. It is showing here executable file here. So just right click and select the option run as administrator. So here select this option, add python.exe to path, and select the option customize installation. Now see here all the optional features we wanted. So just click on next button, and I want to allow this for all users. So just select this button, and it is showing path where your Python will get installed. So my installation location is in C drive program files Python 312. So just click on install. You can change path by using browse option, but I want to keep path as it is. So just click install button. Setup is successful. Just click on close button. Now see, we want to check whether Python is installed or not. So here is search box. Just type cmd command, that is to open the command prompt. Once you open the command prompt, type Python space hyphen version, so that it will show the latest version installed on your machine. So it is showing here. So it is showing here 3.12.3. This Python version is now available on our machine. Just close it. Now we have seen the how to install Python on device. Now next step is how to install Visual Studio. Visual Studio is nothing but the IDE, that is an integrated development environment, and it is used to type the Python programs. It is with plenty of features included in that. So here are the steps. First step is you have to visit the website code.visualstudio.com. So that you have to download the latest version of Visual Studio Code ID from the website, and you have to follow the instructions given on that executable. Open the Google Chrome browser. Again, in that type Visual Code, download. You see, it is showing the first option code.visualstudio.com. Just select this. Now see, it is showing different option. Download for Windows, download for Ubuntu, Fedora, Red Hat, and download for Mac OS. My operating system is Windows, so just click here on Windows. Once you complete the download, open the folder. Again, right click on the exe file, click run as administrator, then click on yes button. It is showing license and agreement. Just click on I accept the agreement, click on next button. Again, it is showing the path where you want to install this Visual Studio Code. So I want in C drive. So, and I want to keep this path as it is. So just click on next button. If you want to change the path, you can use the browse option. Click on next. Next. I want to create desktop icon. Just I will click create a desktop icon. Just click on next button and install. Here is option launch Visual Studio Code. Yes, I want to launch it now. If you don't want, you can just check this box. I want to launch and we will see how to type the program in Visual Studio Code. So just finish this option. Now see here it is showing icon for Visual Studio Code. So see, if you are installing this Visual Studio Code first time, you will get a welcome page. Before this also I have used this Visual Studio Code. So it is showing previous programs. So just click here, select the option as a file and create as file, new text file. From here, you can select the language as Python. Click here on Python so that it will create untitled Python file. Here it is showing message, do you want to install Python extension from Microsoft for the Python language? So it is required for execution of Python programs. So just click on install button so that extensions will get installed. Now see, extension for Python is installed. Again, you have to install the extension for code runner. So just type here code runner and click on install button. Now see, this code runner also installed on my machine. So just close all these windows. I want only. Now suppose I want to do program for addition of two numbers. So I will take two numbers. For example, num1 is equal to 100. Again, num2 is equal to 200. And I want to do addition. So I will write sum is equal to num1 plus num2. Which I want to add these two numbers and I want to print the results. So I will write the function as a print, and within the print function I will write sum. Save this program. So I will save the program as sum.py. Here you will be able to see the option for execution of Python file, run Python file. This triangle is there. Just click on this so that you will get output. Num1 is 100, num2 is 200. So total addition is 300 and it is printed here. So this was the way to execute Python program.